श्रीमन्महाभारतमु 352nd डे। ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। श्रीमन्महाभारतमु आदिपर्वमु 214th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Vulupi gave a boon to Arjuna, saying that, O Arjuna, even in the water you will be great soldier. Nobody can defeat you even in the water, and all the entities, living entities which lives in the water will be in favor to you. Like that, Vulupi gave a boon to Arjuna and left from there and went back to her own palace. After that, Arjuna told everything what happened to all the Brahmanas, and along with Brahmanas, Arjuna started heading towards Himalayas. On his way, he has seen Agastya Vatam, Vasishtha Parvatam, Bhrugutungam. In every place, he is observing all divine activities. And also wherever he goes, he is making arrangements for all the Brahmanas. He went to Hiranyabindu Tirtham and did his snanam. He has seen several sacred places. And after that he got down from Himalayas and went towards east places. On his way he has seen Naimisaranyam, Kausiki Nadi, Mahanadi, Aparananda Nadi, Gaya Tirtham, Ganga Nadi. And he is visiting several sacred places. Atmanah pavanam kurvan brahmanebhyo dadauchagaha. In every place he is making himself purified while visiting all the sacred places, and also he is doing so many charities, godanas to brahmanas. He has visited several places in Anga, Vanga, Kalinga countries, and from there he has reached Kalinga Nagaram. Then all the Brahmanas who were following Arjuna, they all took Arjuna's permission and started heading back to Khandava Prastham. Now Arjuna, along with a few of his followers, he is walking on the banks of ocean. He has crossed Kalinga Desam, and then he has reached Mahendra Parvatam. From there he has gone to Manipura country. He wanted to visit the king of Manipura. His name is Chitravahana. He has one daughter. Her name is Chitrangada. Chitravahana is such a great righteous king. And in that country, Chitrangada, she was going here and there. Arjuna has seen her, and after seeing Chitrangada's such a beautiful form, Arjuna wanted to get Chitrangada. So he went to the king of Manipuram, Chitravahana, and saying to Chitravahana like, Ho Raja, Dehi me khal vimam rajan kshatriyaya mahatmane. Ho Raja, I am the Kshatriya. Please donate your daughter to me. Like that, Arjuna asking Chitravahana for Chitrangada. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us Do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.